Wait for me here. Isabel? Isabel! Come here.
Despina? Why are you here?
So you do know me, Isabel. But whatever you heard about me, you haven't heard enough. You don't know me well enough. They told you Despina's easy prey, that you could easily chew her up and spit her out. But they're wrong.
Why are you staring? Mind your own business.
Come and sit here and tell me all about it.
Despina,
Just tell me what's going on.
it's clear that something's bothering you. You'll relax if you talk. Let's sit down and talk.
I won't sit in this filth hole. But you just know this, Isabel. I'd sit heavy in your stomach. I'm not easy prey. A bird of prey.
Obviously, you're hard to reason with, Despina. One last time. Why are you here?
I have nothing to do with your gambling den, Isabel. And you won't have anything to do with Oruç. He already has a home. And that home is pure. Women like you are not welcome there.
Mind your words, Despina. Because the weight of your words would be too much on your fragile heart.
Come and sit here and tell me all about it.
Is it?
Just tell me what's going on.
What'll you do? Will you just order one of your bandits to kill me?
Despina, your husband's away. And when he does get back, tell him your opinions about it.
Look at me. Look at my face, Isabel. I see my husband's back more than his face because of the foul business running through your inn. You sent him to the hardest, longest jobs. Just admit it. What you want is to keep Oruç away from his home. Anywhere but his home. No. Because from now on, I will not allow Oruç to be your little slave any longer.
No. You really don't know anything about this.
Know anything about what? Tell me so I know.
About Oruç's dreams, of course. Although a wife should know best when it comes to her husband's dreams.
You are right, Isabel. Oruç would never dream without me in it. Remember this, so you won't be hurt.
If you're so sure of him, then why did you come here? Huh? Why did you have to come face a woman like me? You could have sat at home and waited for Oruç to come back at your pure little home.
Since I can't go and speak to every gossip monger in Alexandria, I'm telling you now, Isabel. Don't indulge vain dreams and drool all over the place whenever you see Oruç. Then they won't be able to gossip anymore.
What's she trying to do during all this trouble? Are you her only trouble?
She doesn't know anything.
What have you done to the poor girl, huh? What have you done?
Shut up. We didn't do anything to her. A seer, the mischief maker. You clearly don't get enough of stirring the mischief pot of Alexandria. I should have known that you were the one behind this. Doctor. We should get a doctor. Run.
No need. I'll see what's wrong with her. Let's take her home.
Hang on. Hang on.